.cif files are replacing .pdb files, but some software programs such as PDBsum will still only accept .pdb files, whereas other software programs like AlphaFold 3 will only give you these .cif files. Thankfully, it's really easy to convert them. You can do things in command line, but the easiest way is just to open it in your favorite molecular visualization software such as PyMOL or ChimeraX. I'll show you how to do it in both of these, and export it as a .pdb file. As an example, these are the results of an AlphaFold 3 run that I ran, and you'll see that it gives me the zip file that I unzip, and it has a bunch of stuff in here. The .json files, these have the information about kind of confidence scores. But these CIF files are the ones with the actual structures. You'll see that there are 5 of them. They're ranked in terms of 0 being the highest scoring confidence level and 4 being the least confidently modeled. For this example, I'm just going to use this _0 file, the one with the highest confidence score, and I'll show you how I can export it as a PDB file in both PyMOL and ChimeraX. In PyMOL, I just go to File, Open. I'm going to select that file and open it. Now I'm going to go back to File. I'm going to go to Export Structure and click on Export Molecule. Here I only have one object, but if I had multiple objects, I could select the object that I want here. I'm going to go to PDB Options and click on Retain Atom ID so it doesn't renumber anything. Then I click Save. From this drop-down menu, I can specify what file format I want, and here I'm going to select this PDB file format, which is going to save it as a PDB file. I now need to give it a name. If I want to preserve the same name, I'm just going to click on the file that I had before, but I'm going to shorten the name because AlphaFold gives it this longer name that I want. Now I save it, and voila, I have the PDB file format, which now I can upload in the software program that needs it. I can do it very easily in ChimeraX as well. Here, I click on Open. I select that CIF file I want and open it. Now I go to Save. From this drop-down menu, I'm going to select the .pdb, and then I again could name this model and save it. I'm not going to do this because I already saved it once, but that's how I could do it here. Now if I go to PDBsum, Generate, I can upload my PDB file, and then I run this and I won't get the errors that I would have gotten if I had a .cif file.